Today I'll be making heart-shaped Rice Krispie treats. You'll need 6 cups of Rice Krispie cereal, a 10-ounce bag of marshmallows, chocolate for the icing, 1 teaspoon of cooking oil, half a stick of butter, and red, pink, or white colored sprinkles. First, oil a large pot for melting the marshmallows, a large bowl to mix everything together, and a baking pan that has depth. In the large pot, melt the butter over low heat. Once melted, add the bag of marshmallows and keep stirring until the mixture has no more lumps. Have the cereal in the large bowl ready and pour the melted marshmallow mixture into the bowl. Quickly mix everything together to ensure the marshmallow doesn't harden. Taking your pan, press the mixture into the corners. Place the pan in the refrigerator to cool down if you'd like to speed up the process, or just leave it on the counter for about 30 minutes. Take your pan of Rice Krispies and using a heart-shaped cookie cutter, cut the Rice Krispies inside the pan. Using a knife, take them out. Dip it into the chocolate and add sprinkles to finish them off. These Valentine's Day Rice Krispie treats are the perfect blend of sweetness and charm, ideal for sharing with loved ones or adding a festive touch to your day.